Welcome to the Salina Catholic Schools app setup tutorial. We're excited to offer a way for families to stay connected all in one place. Here's how to get started. Open your App Store or Google Play Store and search Salina Catholic Schools. Look for our logo and tap Download. Once downloaded, open the app. You'll be prompted to allow notifications. Go ahead and tap Allow so you don't miss any important updates like reminders or events. Here's the home screen. From here, you can access everything you need: live feed, notifications, calendars, lunch menus, documents, and more. You can navigate between all three schools or select Salina Catholic Schools for more campus-wide news. Tap the three lines in the bottom corner to open the main menu. From here, you can jump to different schools: Love and Learn, St. Mary's, Sacred Heart, or Salina Catholic Schools, and see only the information that matters to you. To personalize your experience, head to Settings and choose Notification Preferences. Select the schools, grade levels, or activity groups that apply to your family. This makes sure that you're only getting updates relevant to what you want. It's all in one place with just a few taps. When there's a game change or a school-wide reminder, you'll get it instantly, right here. And that's it. Quick, simple, and made to keep you connected with Salina Catholic Schools every step of the way.